Hey everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. Why does that feel backwards? Oh, it's fine.
I think it looks backwards to you, but it's right.
Okay, then we're good. I'm looking at it and it's, technically it looks right, but it's supposed to be backwards to me. I don't know. I'm confused.
You're good.
Anyway, when you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk, VIP. Also, follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Paul, can I get you to try to open that for me? Because for some reason, it won't let me. So today we are doing the heart. We're going to reattempt it. Last time I think I just didn't let it dry good enough, so when I pulled it up, it came up with the transfer. But we're doing a different transfer on it anyway, so maybe that'll help. And I have my drying tool here. You can get that off the website. The one I have is not from Chalkator, but you can get one from Chalkator. So go to tellystalkinchalk.ca where you can find my finished pieces and the links to the business websites. I know that came out different than most days, but it is what it is. So we're just scraping all the way through, making sure we cover it all, bringing up all the excess. Now I am using the ink. You can use the ink or the chalk, it won't matter on the wood because wood pretty much is a one-time use unless you paint over it. But because this is such a bold color, it would take a lot to try to paint over it. Oh, I should actually put my, oh geez. I'm gonna bring up my thing on here because right now I can't see comments. Silly me. I don't know. After yesterday's fiasco with Facebook, I don't know how this is going to go for me. I hope you can all see, because right now I'm not even on my own screen. That's weird. There we go. Now we're back to normal. I hadn't even come on screen yet, and I was like, what is happening? So when you jump on, even if you're on the replay, hashtag replay, let me know where you're coming in from. So I'm just trying to make this as thin as possible so that it's easier to dry. So I'm just pushing down on it as we go, carrying it across to other spots. Didn't quite mean to glove that there, but what is everybody up to today? When you see this, let me know. You might hear my cat in the background. She's now running around like a crazy cat. Like she just ran right across me and right back to the bedroom. Silly girl. I'm just going to cover this part a little bit more. Just because it seems to not have been as much as the others. Still trying to get up all the excess if possible so that we can dry this really well. So when we put on the transfer, it will stay. It's what we had a problem with last time, so. I don't know if we actually kept that video up or not. Sometimes if it's not too bad of a mess up, we keep it up. Because, well, we all make mess ups at some point or another. Now I'm just going to make sure that I don't get any of the red all over the place. Just because it is ink, so it is permanent. Now we're just going to dry this. This may take a couple of minutes. But we want to make sure that it's completely dry. And what also I'm going to do is when I dry it, when I'm done drying it, I'm going to let it sit and cool back down to room temperature so that when I put the transfer down, it doesn't get too tacky and get stuck. Because that might have been another problem that we had. Because it heat up the transfer stickiness. And our transfers are reusable 8 to 12 times at least. That is the business guidelines, but I know of people that have used them a lot more. Again, we're just trying to make sure that it's all dry so it doesn't make the transfer pull up the ink. And the ink does take a little bit longer to heat set. So. If you want information on Chalkateur, hashtag chalk in the comments. If you would like to know about Club Couture, which is our subscription box, hashtag club in the comments. I know I just totally threw Paul off out of nowhere because I normally do that all in one fell swoop, but I didn't this time. I'm burning up the wood, I can smell it. I can literally see smoke and smell like I don't even know what kind of wood this is that we got because it's just from a random store. And so I don't even know. But it smells good. Okay, let that dry, or let that cool down. Hopefully then it'll be fully dry. Because right now it's a little tacky because it's been heated up. So I think maybe if we let it dry, or let it cool down, it'll dry. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments and I will answer them. Even if you're on the replay, I will do that as well. We're going to do this transfer in white. I'm just going to put it like right here. I know it seems a little small for such a big heart, but I think it's cute. So I want to use it. Still a little tacky. I'm sorry, guys. This is always the hardest part, is making sure everything is good and well dried. As you can see, though, it is a little bit still wet in some areas. Let me just get this out, though, while we're waiting. Oh, which way is it? You guys see me all the time. I'm always trying to figure out where the pull tab is. On the back, on the front, on the top, on the bottom. Surprised they don't put it on the side on me. Okay, so I'm gonna put it down. Just gonna see if I can semi-judge it on its straightness. It's okay if it's not fully, but oh, there got to be some folds in this one for some reason. Trying to make sure that the lines here aren't gonna affect the design too much, but we will see. Grab a little bit of this here. I grabbed a big one when I started, and I haven't even went through it all because everybody likes all of the bright colors, so I haven't used a lot of the white. They like the more colorful colors. So lately I've been doing a little bit more of the white and black basic colors. Let me know in the comments what your kind of color palette looks like. I'm kind of curious. I'm hearing a lot of people say black and white is theirs, or like black, white, and gray. But then all of my people seem to like the more flashy colors. Okay, I want that to stick down. And if it doesn't stick that well for you, if you keep going in the same direction, it kind of does help. It may not be still perfect, but it will try to help and not pull it up as much. Oh, almost went off the side there. That could have been a bad idea. Alright, so we're going to pull this up and see how it is. Hey everybody! How are you doing today? I hope you're well. If you haven't already, like and follow the business page, Telly's Talkin' Chuck, and follow me on Instagram and YouTube, and you can also find my group here on Facebook is Telly's Talkin' Chuck VIP. I did that all in a really messed up order, but you can do that. I'm just gonna pull this up. It actually didn't do too bad. There was a little bit of a leak there because it was really folded there. But overall, it didn't turn out too bad. Is that too big? Too close? Why is it so far that way? Normally I don't have to extend my arms that far. Alright. So that is our finished project. It was a nice and quick one. Hello everybody. I see more people jumping on as I'm finishing up. If you can go back and watch the replay and see how this all came to be, that would be awesome. And give me a thumbs up or some likes. Follow my business page, Telly's Talkin' Chuck. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chuck VIP. Follow me on Instagram and YouTube at Telly's Talkin' Chuck. And go to tellystalkinchuck.ca for my website, where you will find the business sites as well. If you want to know about Chuck Couture, hashtag Chuck in the comments. If you would like to know about Club Couture, hashtag Club in the comments. That is our subscription box. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Do we have anything tomorrow? No? Okay, so I will see you again at 7 o'clock tomorrow. Bye, guys.